Emily Garcia. And si Kapitan kasi, ka-rival niya sa politics si Miss Jean Garcia. So, Miss Jean Garcia, anak niya si Joyce Ching. Tapos ako naman, anak ako ni Kapitan. So, medyo may pagka-Romeo and Juliet yung setup namin ni Joyce Ching. Siguro, the fight scene. Lagi akong may fight scene dito. Yung twice or thrice akong ginulpe ni Kuya Allen dito. Operations. Wala naman. Naging truthful lang ako doon sa role. And ayun, pinil ko na lang na kasi I've worked with Joyce Ching na before. She's the only one lang naman kasama ko lang sa scene. Siya lang naman halos. So it's not really a hard thing to do na to like work with her. So wala nang hirap na parang kikinanan mo na. Sin go with the flow, dive, yun. It was fun, actually, sobra. Dami ko natutunan. First, professionalism, yan. And yung pagmahal sa craft and yung pagiging yung wag kang maging don't ever make mistakes. If you make mistakes, just don't make lots of mistakes. Yun. Guys, this is Hero Beralda. Reaching to you. Manood po kayo ng Sitio Camcam July 9 on selected theaters nationwide. Thank you.